Can I just say, bukas na ang latest branch ng Chick Chicken sa Makati. Ito yung trending na chicken tenders na sinasabi nilang sobrang kalasan ng Racing Cane sa Amerika. Dahil second day pa lang ata ng operations nila dito, sobrang daming tao. We had to line up and wait for our order for more than 1 hour. But we got the goods and takeout option lang dahil walang dine-in area ang store. These are everything we got. Brioche for 45 pesos, Chick 5 for 349, fully loaded Chick for 359, and Chick rice 299. Chick 5 has 5 pieces chicken tenders and yung famous 3 sauces nila. We also got an extra big cup of their chick sauce for 189, sakto para sa perfect dip.
It's very good. Oh my gosh, ang sarap.
Masarap talaga yung sauce nila and I think may resemblance naman sa Racing Cane's pero hindi same na same. Nalitan din ako sa chicken compared sa mga nakikita kong video. I don't know if lumiit talaga or dahil mukhang soft opening pa itong bagong branch. Yung fully loaded has chicken, fries, mac and cheese, and their garlic sauce. Sobrang sarap ng fries and chicken together. The mac and cheese ay okay lang. It's a little too sweet for my liking. Pero yung garlic sauce, OMG, kailangan mas ma-hype. Ito na talaga yung favorite ko sa kanila. Yung chick rice naman, same lang, pero Java rice yung nasa ilalim. Okay naman yung quality ng rice, pero hindi masyado flavorful. Maybe para mas ma-highlight yung chicken. It comes with garlic sauce topping, but I suggest i-drench nyo ng chick sauce for that extra flavor. Here's the menu. Pause for reference. If you want to visit, sobrang lapit lang nito sa Circuit Makati. You can waste 3231 Zapote Corner Malolos Street, Tejeros, Makati. They're open from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. Overall, Chick Chicken is good. No need to compare to other brands. Mura and sulit para sa napakalaking serving size. So go ahead, try mo na.